Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer commission tracking using WooCommerce integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer commission tracking using WooCommerce integrations, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the WooCommerce section and select Settings. Click on the tab for Integrations. Choose the third-party plugin you want to use for commission tracking. Ensure the plugin is installed and activated. Once activated, configure the settings within the plugin. Provide the necessary API keys or access tokens if required by the plugin. Set up the commission rates according to your business model. Next, navigate to the Products section to assign commission rates to individual products. Edit each product to include the commission tracking settings. Save your changes after updating the product details. Now, go to the Orders section to review any pending orders. Check to see if the commission calculations are automatically applied to each order. If applicable, adjust the commission details for individual orders based on your agreements. Test the integration by completing a test order on your site. After the order is completed, review the commission details in the plugin dashboard. Make sure all information appears correctly and matches your expectations. If everything looks correct, your commission tracking should now be fully set up and operational. For any discrepancies, double-check your settings in both WooCommerce and the integration plugin. Regularly monitor your commission reports to ensure accuracy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.